Good morning guys! It's Friday, last day here at Parksville. Ito yung ating hotel. Pakita ko sa inyo. The Coast. This is where we always stay most of the time pag nag-stay kami. So guys, punta tayo dito sa Lucky Loonies. I don't know if you can hear me. May nagko-construction dito. So, tingin tayo ng souvenir. Kung may rep magnet dito. Rep magnet.
And I have some red ones.
Ito yung pinaka-dollar store nila dito. Dollarama. Tingnan natin kung may rep magnet. Because I know we have some rep magnet here before. Let's take a look.
Oh, it's a bag.
So, uwian na. Pasyal muna tayo dito for the last minute. Bago tayo bumalik ng Alberta. Singot muna tayo ng dagat. Walang dagat dun eh. Maamoy mo dun ano?
Ano?
Farm.
Tayo ng kalabaw na.
Amoy farm. Siyempre, Alberta. May puro farm. Start ng Sandcastle today. Tingnan natin kung available na siya for viewing. Baka sarado pa.
Oo, nakaano.
Nakasarado naman talaga yan.
Okay,
Kasi syempre,
kasi may entrance.
Oh, may entrance kasi. May donation.
Oo.
So, tingnan natin. Parang $5 daw eh. Yun nga lang, wala pala tayong dalang cash.
Oo.
Paano yan? Saan tayo kukuha ng cash?
Cash ba sila o beto?
Ah, baka pwedeng debit card. Motor naman na.
Ano ka lahat? Layo.
Today, mamaya pa siya. Baka mamaya pa. Ayan na, nag-sculpting siya. Tignan mo, sinusukat niya pa talaga.
Siyempre, bali.
Ang galing. Baka extra lang to.
Bali lang tama sa akin.
Ayan o. Magawa po siya ng castle. Look at that. Gumagawa pa? Alam ko opening nila today eh. O baka ngayon pa lang yung start nila. Tapos i-display nila. So wala pa sila for viewing. Oh, they're still making. Ooh, sarap tong hangin. Pa-picture tayo dito bago tayo pumunta na. Pa-picture tayo. tayo. Ano pangalan nito?
The beach.
The Beach. Kakain tayo ng lunch dito. Thanks, Erica. We're at the by the beach.
Water's good?
Yep.
Okay.
We're gonna
I do have a couple.
Food is served. Ayan,
What's yours?
ano ba to? Rib, hindi.
Short rib.
Short rib.
Beef short rib something.
And then salmon.
Salmon with a Z.
And ano kay Erica? Tenderloin. Gordon's. Going home. Ang bagal nitong mag ano.
Kasama namin to.
Nakita ka ba doon?
Kailangan mo ng tungtungan.
Sabi namin, hindi nakikita si Jelly, ginagawa sinisilip siya.
Kailangan ng tungtungan.
Kailangan mo ng bangkito doon. So guys, back to reality na naman. We're heading back to the airport.
Our flight is to 2:25 is our
Morning.
Morning.
Look at that. Ocean. Ocean? Ano ba? Sea? Sea daw. Pauwi na tayo. Pauwi. Back to reality. Nakatamad. Sarap magbakasyon mo forever. Forever. Saka lang natin mag-work ulit para makabayad ng mga kautangan sa mga ginastos natin sa ating vacation. So, kailan tayo babalik dito?
Serdok. Next year. Next time 2 weeks na kami mag-stay.
Wow, 2 weeks talaga, babe. Daming budget, ah.
Yung isa dyan gusto lumipat dito Alam mo ng trabaho sa Alberta
Why? There's TD there. Oh. You can be a banker here. There's home hardware here.
You could stay at the bank and I'm just gonna stay in Alberta. I'm gonna leave you here.
Ang travel time from Parksville to the airport is
40 minutes.
40 minutes?
45 minutes.
Roughly. So, and then yung taxi. Oh yeah, itong car rental, nandun lang din. So, very convenient.
Sa airport lang.
So, we'll update you guys later. Nanaimo Harbor.
Don't put money near your mouth.
Ano dito?
Where are you?
Nanaimo Airport.
Nanaimo
Going to
Airport.
Vancouver.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Going back to reality. So we're going back to
It's a nice breather.
Vancouver to Edmonton. We're waiting. Wala pa yung aeroplano. Boarding is 25. 2:25.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows are capturing. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same, I keep running.
And we arrived. Vancouver. So, nandito na tayo sa Vancouver International Airport. Our flight is delayed. We are delayed. Maybe 45 minutes now. So, stay muna tayo dito sa airport. Ikot-ikot tayo. Buti na lang maaga tayo. Kakain na naman daw siya. Oh.
Text stays on your profile.
Are you buying? Huh? Excuse me. Are you buying?
Yes, I'm buying.
Kakain mo lang ah. Ha? Hindi daw nabusog. Dami-dami mong kinain. You're buying again? Ito po siya oh. Hindi daw siya nabusog. Dami niyang kinain. Yung totoo. Naglalakad siya. Guess what guys? Saan na naman tayo? Gusto niya lagi maraming tao. Gusto niya maraming pila. So kaya nandito na naman siya sa Starbucks. Starbucks na naman to oh. Uy, di kita makita. Ang dilim mo. Oo, ang dilim mo oh.
Before heading back home, right?
After 1 hour delayed, we're boarding now, going to Edmonton. We can stay here at Vancouver.
Yeah, for 2 days.
For 2
We
days.
don't have money to rebook.
Yes.
It's been too long. Won't you come back to me? If I did you wrong, I'll make it right, you'll see. Back to my arms.
Touchdown Edmonton, touchdown Edmonton. We're back to Alberta. Nakaland lang ng airplane. 8:30. We are delayed 1 hour. So, a few more minutes, nasa bahay na tayo. Tingnan mo, Joel is picking up. Hindi nga yata. Is that your bag?
Joe Marquez po yan.
Yes. Okay. So guys, good morning. Like what I've said, dumating na tayo yesterday. That concludes our vacation sa island. Nagliligpit na tayo ng gamit. Ayan. So liligpit na natin siya until our next trip. I hope you enjoy watching our vacation vlog. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave some comments. As always, this is Easy Drum saying God bless you all. Be kind and live your life to the fullest. We'll see you on our next vlog. Bye.